Welcome back, and here we discuss about HTML, URL, and its representation with the different terms like scheme, prefix, domain, port, path, and file name. Next thing is the common URL scheme, right? And next thing from this is the URL encoding. What is URL encoding and why we use this? And as you can see that here is no HTTP in this URL. So URL can only be sent over the internet by using the ASCII character. If a URL contains characters outside the ASCII set, the URL has to be converted, right? And as you can see that these are all the ASCII characters. And moreover, I also explain about the ASCII characters and why other characters if we use them in our URL or URL scheme. First of all, if you use some other characters rather than ASCII, then their character will automatically convert it to some signs or numbers. If you click on this link, then you can see that here the spaces are replaced by the dashes in this URL, but I want to show you guys the URL with spaces. Let's open some links in the menu so that we can see the characters or signs which has been replaced by the blank spaces. Now here you can see that the space has been transferred to the %20 and the other sign has also transferred to %7 etc. So this is called the URL encoding or URL encoding scheme. URL encoding converts non-ASCII characters into a format that can be transmitted over the internet. URL encoding replaces non-ASCII characters with a % sign followed by a hexadecimal digit. Here, as you can see that %20 is used for the space, right? And URL cannot contain spaces. URL encoding normally replace a space with the plus sign or %20, and here are some examples of the URL and signs which we use in our URL. Then we should use their UTF-8 format or Windows 1252 format. As you can see that for Euro in Windows 1252 %80 and in UTF-8 it is the different according to the conditions and the URL encoding. And you can also see the other signs as well. Your browser will encode input according to the character set used in your page. Default character set in HTML5 is UTF-8 and these are the URL encoding by using the UTF-8. So these are the different signs for the URL encoding and how we can use these words in our URL if we want by using the UTF-8 encoding style. So you can download this file from the website. Click on download button and get this file and read this carefully. These are the URL encoding.